Got the dirt commander hitting them hard today. Something wasn't right. Robbie got out of it in a hurry. 3 big turbos. They'll start to build up them RPMs, then the water injection will turn on. That's when you'll see the smoke get funny colors. They got to get that charger to accept all that water, fuel, and air. And when she's ready, he'll release the beast and away he'll go. On that charger, when you hear that noise, it's all over.
Sound good?
And something ain't quite right in there. You're coughing and choking and gagging and carrying on, puking oil on him. Building it up slow. He must have listened to it. Yeah, right there. First time ever on the wheel of one of these. That big old roofer spinning the way it needed to. Got under his boost, and when the boost goes down, all the power stops. They'll drink upwards of a gallon or more of water. Right here, tough break for the Bergster. When you see that sign, it's done. Comes out of the line, making well over 2,000 horses. It's not as easy as everybody thinks. It isn't just push the throttle forward. You can see him tapping the side. I don't know if he's keeping the gauges straight or trying to convince her to take what he's going to shove down her throat. I'm sure we'll see her badges. Just coming together today. Did Henry tell him to do something and he refused to? He's flag. Green flag. Not quite coming into her milk today. Crazy Canucks gotta go back to the job.